Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I stenciled my front door area. My first mistake was trying to use a roller. Instead, use a chalk brush like this one. You can see the difference. That first one came out horrible. I used painter's tape to tape the stencil to the ground so it wouldn't move. The trick is to use very little paint and blot it up and down with the paintbrush so it doesn't bleed under. This paint tends to dry very quickly, so what I did was I alternated spaces waiting for the previous one to dry. This is the paint I purchased at Home Depot, and it could be colored to any color you want. When you get to the edge, you can either cut your stencil in half or fold it. What was so time consuming was that you have to wipe the back of the stencil after every use. Eventually they get loaded with paint, so it's good that this stencil came as a 4-pack on Amazon. If your area gets a lot of sun, traffic, and water, you will want to seal it.